Hummingbirds have the highest metabolism of any bird on Earth. They burn energy so fast that they must eat almost every 10 to 15 minutes to survive. Pause. A hummingbird's tongue is a biological miracle. It is long, split at the tip, and works like a tiny pump, pulling nectar into the mouth at incredible speed. Pause. Despite their tiny size, hummingbirds are extremely aggressive. They will fearlessly chase away birds, many times larger than themselves, to protect their feeding territory. Pause. Hummingbirds can see ultraviolet light, a color range invisible to humans. This allows them to spot nectar-rich flowers that we cannot even see. Pause. Some hummingbirds migrate over 4,000 kilometers. The ruby-throated hummingbird flies nonstop across the Gulf of Mexico without resting for more than 20 hours straight. Pause. Their bones are incredibly light and fragile. Almost 90% of a hummingbird's skeleton is adapted for flight, making them airborne specialists. Pause. A hummingbird's brain is large for its body size. This gives it advanced learning abilities, allowing it to recognize locations, patterns, and even individual humans. Pause. Hummingbirds do not smell flowers. Instead, they rely almost entirely on vision, choosing bright red, orange, and pink blooms. Pause. Rain does not stop a hummingbird. During heavy rain, they can shake water off their feathers in mid-air and continue flying without landing. Pause. Hummingbirds are ancient birds. Fossil evidence suggests their ancestors existed over 30 million years ago. Pause. In cold conditions, a hummingbird can reduce its energy use by up to 95% by entering torpor, a survival technique unmatched by most birds. The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backward. Short pause. By moving its wings in a figure-8 pattern, it can fly forward, backward, sideways, and even hover perfectly still in the air. Pause. A hummingbird's heart can beat up to 1,200 times per minute. That is nearly 10 times faster than a human heart. This is why hummingbirds must constantly search for food. Pause. Hummingbirds live in close connection with flowers. They feed on nectar and at the same time pollinate plants, playing a vital role in maintaining nature's balance. Pause. The speed of a hummingbird's wing beats is astonishing. In normal flight, it beats its wings 50 to 80 times per second, and during courtship, up to 200 times per second. Pause. The smallest bird in the world is the hummingbird. Some species weigh only 2 grams, about the same as a single coin. Pause. When a hummingbird sleeps, it can appear almost lifeless. To save energy, it lowers its body temperature dramatically and enters a state called torpor. Pause. Hummingbirds have an incredibly strong memory. They remember exactly which flower produces nectar and when, and they return at precisely the right time. Pause. The bright colors of a hummingbird are not caused by pigment.